Hi student, in previous lecture we discussed the constructor, and this constructor, it is nothing but a special member function which is used to initialize the object of a class. But in a practical, when we want to initialize the data members of a class, at that time we can be use this parameterized constructor function. Okay, this parameterized constructor function, it is nothing but the parameters or the variables assigned to the constructor at a declaration. That time is called as a parameterized constructor function. Got it? Parameterized constructor function, it is nothing but the constructor. What is the constructor? Constructor, it is nothing but a member function which is used to initialization of a object. And constructor function name is the same as that of a class name. Here constructor is a FIB. Here constructor is a class FIB. Here FIB is the name of a class, and constructor, it is nothing but the same name as that of a class. But when we want to use the parameterized constructor function, at that time we can assign the argument or variable or parameter to the constructor function at a declaration. That is called as a parameterized constructor function. Got it? Parameterized constructor function means same constructor function. In previous lecture we discussed, here just we declare FIB, opening closing bracket. We can't give this the parameter or the argument or the variable. But in a practically, when we want to initialize the data members of a class, at that time we can be give the parameters or the variables to the function. That time it is called as parameterized constructor function. Okay, and this parameterized constructor function can be assigned the some value, or it is used to initialization of a data members. For example, class FIB, in a private I can be write F0 and F1. These are the two data members or the variables. In public section I can be declare the constructor function, which is the same as that of a class name, and here the constructor function I can be use int x and int y, these two parameters or the two variables. This declaration is called as a parameterized constructor function declaration. This parameter can be given at a declaration of the constructor function. It is used to initialize the data members. How it can be initialized? Here FIB, this function can be used outside a class declaration. FIB scope resolution operator, FIB int x comma int y. Here two parameters we can be declared. This parameter can be initialized. F0, here is a one data member is equal to x, F1 is equal to y. Here initialization of the data members using the parameterized constructor function. Got it? Here is the second point. In October 2015, there is a question asked, what is a constructor, and explain parameterized constructor function. At that time you can be give the definition of the constructor, rules for the declaration of the constructor, and write a few information about the parameterized constructor function. There another point we can be discussed, that is a copy constructor. Copy constructor, it is also the one type of the constructor, but slightly difference. The copy constructor, it is used when the object of a class created as a temporary, it is not a permanently. At that time we can be use the copy constructor. And copy constructor and normal constructor, there is a slightly difference is, in a copy constructor we can be use the pointer to declaration of that the parameters. That is, copy constructor is used when computer create a temporary object of a class. When this copy constructor can be used? there is a three situations when we can be use the copy constructor. First, initialization of a object by another object of a same class. Here, one class containing two objects, and when one object is initialized by the another object, at that time this copy constructor can be used, because this constructor can be create temporary object. This is a first situation. In a second situation, in a copy constructor, return of a object, return function, in a function value can be returned. Here return of a object as a by value parameter of a function. When we want to return value parameter of a function as an object, at that time we can be use a copy constructor also. And third situation, starting object as a value parameter of a function. When we can be use the function and we want to declare starting object as a parameter of a function, at that time we can be also use the copy constructor. Here is the one syntax to use a copy constructor. That is, first we give class name, scope resolution operator, class name and PTR. Here class name, if our FIB is a class name, scope resolution operator, next FIB, and in a class we can be declare the object, that is FIB, and suppose PTR is a pointer object. That is the syntax of a